In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and activate the Make integration plugin on your WordPress admin dashboard and connect it to make.com. To get started, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the plugin section and choose the option to add a new plugin. In the search field, look for the Make integration plugin. When you find it, click Install, and once the installation is complete, click Activate. This step is important because installing the plugin adds it to your site, but activating it is what actually enables WordPress to communicate with Make.com. After the plugin is active, the next part happens inside your Make.com account. Open your scenario editor and go to the canvas where you build your automation. Add a new WordPress module to the scenario. This module is what creates the direct connection between Make.com and your WordPress website, so Make can send or receive information depending on the automation you're building. When the WordPress module opens, you'll be prompted to set up a connection. Here, enter your WordPress site URL carefully. Make sure you use the correct site address so the platform can locate your WordPress installation without errors. You'll also need to enter your admin application password. This is used to authorize the connection securely. Be sure to paste the password exactly as provided, with no extra spaces before or after it, since even a small formatting mistake can cause the connection to fail. Once both fields are filled in, review the details one more time to make sure everything is accurate. This is a good habit anytime you're connecting two platforms, because a simple typo in the URL or password can prevent the integration from working properly. Finally, click Save to complete the setup. At this point, Make.com will verify the connection and confirm that it can communicate directly with your WordPress site. If the information was entered correctly, the link should be established right away. And that's it. You've installed and activated the plugin in WordPress, added the WordPress module in Make.com, entered your site URL and application password, and saved the connection to verify the link. After this, you're ready to continue building your automation with a working WordPress connection.